Positive self-talk plays a vital role in staying motivated and achieving your goals. Positive self-talk refers to the things that you tell yourself on a regular basis. It can affect your mindset, attitude, and motivation, and can either help or hinder you in achieving your goals. One of the key benefits of positive self-talk is that it can help to improve self-esteem and confidence. When individuals engage in positive self-talk, they are more likely to focus on their strengths and abilities, and to believe in themselves and their ability to achieve their goals. This can be especially helpful for individuals who struggle with self-doubt or lack of confidence. Another benefit of positive self-talk is that it can help to reduce stress and anxiety. By engaging in positive self-talk, individuals can counteract negative thoughts and beliefs, which can help to reduce stress and anxiety. This can help to improve overall well-being and increase motivation. Positive self-talk can also help to improve focus and concentration. By engaging in positive self-talk, individuals can change their mindset and focus on positive thoughts, which can help to improve focus and concentration, and increase productivity. Positive self-talk can also help to change negative habits and beliefs. By engaging in positive self-talk, individuals can change their mindset and beliefs, which can help to change negative habits and beliefs, and lead to positive changes in their life. It's important to note that positive self-talk takes practice and repetition to have an effect. One way to practice positive self-talk is to write down positive affirmations and repeat them regularly. It's also important to be mindful of the language you use when talking to yourself, and to avoid negative self-talk or criticism. In conclusion, positive self-talk plays a vital role in staying motivated and achieving your goals. It can help to improve self-esteem and confidence, reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and concentration, and change negative habits and beliefs. It takes practice and repetition to develop positive self-talk habits, but with consistency and effort, it can help you to achieve your goals and improve your overall well-being.